Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the MacBook down and disconnecting the adapter from the wall. This removes live power. Next, ground yourself by touching metal or use an anti-static mat because static can harm electronics. Now identify whether you have a MagSafe magnetic connector or a USB-C plug. This determines how you remove it. Once done, inspect the cable and port for obvious debris or damage so your first physical moves are informed and safe. With the connector identified, position your hands. Grasp the connector housing, not the cable, and pull straight out. For MagSafe, the magnet releases when you pull, and for USB-C, you should still pull straight with controlled force. Twisting or jerking risks port damage. If you see lint or corrosion, use short bursts of compressed air to clear the port. Make sure the air can is upright to avoid moisture. Keep movements steady and deliberate to protect pins and the laptop casing. After removal, coil the cable loosely using 3 to 4 inch loops so you avoid kinks and stress on the joint. Inspect both connector and port for frays, exposed conductors, or discoloration. Replace the charger if you find damage. If the plug feels stuck, power off the MacBook and try lifting the connector straight while using a plastic spudger at the seam. Do not use metal. If it still won't budge or you detect burning, stop and contact Apple or a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.